Well, I did not expect this, but it's a great day to be a warrior. So I guess this is honoring me, but truly this is an award for you guys, my students, because this wouldn't be possible without you guys. And my fellow teachers, it's been so much fun to work with all you guys, and we'll continue to do that next year, and it'll be a lot of fun. But this is truly an award about our school. This is an us award. This is not a me award. So I want to thank the governor and commissioner coming out, and I want to thank Mr. Beacom for hiring me 5 years ago. Even though teaching science was maybe a very anxious moment in my life, and making that decision was one of the best decisions of my life. So I want to thank you guys.